I'm Emma May, soft furniture and sewing tutor. I run sewing workshops and write sewing tutorials, passing on my skills and inspiring other homemakers. One of the key stitches I use in my Roman blinds workshop is the slip stitch, so I've created a mini video for you to help you remember it. You can play it over and over again until you've cracked it. We're going to just peel back the lining and start with a French knot. So doing a single small stitch and then repeating over the top and winding the thread round 4 times. Okay, and I'm just going to dip the needle in and take it out level with the edge of the lining fabric, so we're ready to start. So we're going to attach these 2 layers together with slip stitch. So I'm going to pass the needle in the channel of the lining fabric and take a stitch length of about 1 centimetre and pull it out. At the very point at which it comes out from the lining fabric, I'm going to dip down into the main fabric, but being careful not to come through to the front. I'm going to do a stitch length of about 1 centimetre and come back up. And then I'm going back into the lining fabric directly opposite the point at which I've come out of this main fabric. I'm sliding along in that channel about 1 centimetre and then coming out and then dipping back down into the main fabric underneath, along 1 centimetre and back out. And the crucial bit here is that you come out from one layer and cross over into the other layer directly adjacent. If you move forwards, you'll end up with something that's visible. Whereas when you go in and out directly opposite each other, when you pull the thread, you can't see any of the stitching at all. So I hope that helps you remember that particular stitch. If you'd like to find out more details about making Roman blinds, visit my website to find full details of the online workshop.